Hi, welcome back to Team Money Gang. If you're someone who has a lot of knowledge in a particular area, and for me, that's about everyone, right? But the truth is, you see other people making amazing money from it. You're thinking, how can I get this done? Like you literally don't know where to start when it comes to monetizing what you know, then this video is for you because I'm going to give you 5 ways you can begin to make money from your knowledge right now. Okay, if this is the kind of video you want to see, then don't go anywhere. First off, I have been there where I really didn't know how to go about it, but I have done all of these 5 things I'm telling you about, and I know exactly how that can change the whole course of your life forever. Now, the first time I tried to sell knowledge ever, I just made my online course and then I did a couple of seminars or webinars now. I knew that there was something in digital products for me, and that's why I wanted to also come in and enjoy this as well. Now, truth is, so many times we always look down on the things that we know, or we think it is not classy enough or it's not structured enough. These 5 ideas will help you structure this knowledge and then give you the confidence to put a cost on it and deliver it to people who are panting for the solution that you're going to bring. All right, now in the first position is what I call paid webinars or workshops. Now you've been thinking about how you can convert this thing that you know, which can come from business or your lifestyle or a skill. It can be anything, or it can even be your knowledge of something in academics. Whatever it is, and you know people actually ask you questions about this, and in fact sometimes you make social media posts about them, but they're not really bringing you money in that sense, but people want them. You can actually package this into a webinar. How? Put a topic on it, give it at least 30 days duration, marketing it every day, and using those days to attract the people who are interested in what you're about to teach, and then get them in a room online, virtually. You don't have to get them in the physical room because that will cost you money because you're starting out. Start virtually, okay? Then call them into a room, like maybe using Google Meet or Zoom or Webinar Jam, anyone that catches your fancy and you can afford. Use that to train them, and please make sure to record your session, because when you're done with that, with all the accolades that come with it and all the money you made from it, you still have it right now in a digital format that you can always put up on a platform, and people who didn't participate, or even those who participated who just want to have the experience again, can go ahead and buy it and listen at their pace. See, you will be shocked that this one knowledge you have mastered, you're an expert at, can solve problems for a lot of people in a short time. Please make sure to charge between $20 to $100 for this webinar. Webinars are usually not more than 3 hours within a day. That's typical. I mean, if you want to do anything more than that, maybe 2 days, 3 days, if your audience are able to pay attention and you think is really needed, then structure it how you will. But maximum is supposed to be a 1 day, a walkthrough of 3 hours max, and you're done. Make sure to give them some sort of workbook that they can use to practice the things you've taught them, or some sort of stuff that will hold them accountable afterwards, right? So remember to sell the replay as a digital product afterwards. That's extra income for you, okay? Yeah. Now, the number 2 method you can use to convert this whole knowledge you have, whether it is the knowledge of cooking, culinary, recipe, whatever it is, as long as it's something that is your fingertips that you can deploy at any time, you have mastered over the years, you can make it into an ebook. Yes, an ebook is one of the easiest ways to package your product, structure it in sections and chapters, and deliver real value to people who have been seeking them. Now, usually you price an ebook between $5 to about $20, and all you need is to be able to sit down and write it. No more than 10,000 words usually, and then be able to do a good design of it. Like, go to Canva, use an ebook template, make the pages colorful and sweet. Not color, it depends on the kind of audience you're looking for, of course, but you know what I mean by colorful. Not colorful like children's book, but you know what I mean by colorful, right? Make it outstanding. And please, when you're starting out something for the first time, make sure to put your best foot forward, and always, okay? Excellent is the name of the game, okay? So write your book, format it on your Microsoft Word, take it to Canva, make a beautiful design of it. Make sure to use the book cover as well designed to also market on social media, and you will see money rolling in. Your ebook can be sold on platforms like Amazon, like Seller.co, Gumroad. There are all kinds of platforms you can sell them, and for free. On Seller it's for free, on Amazon as well it's for free, okay? And direct people through your link to buy. And make sure that when you're writing an ebook, remember you're putting your knowledge to solving one particular problem that people are longing for and people are willing to pay for, okay? If you want more advice on that, I'm going to link videos here for you to watch after now to learn how to launch your product and how to write your ebook in a way that people will not be able to resist it, okay? Now, method number 3 you can use to sell your knowledge is having paid newsletters. Do you know that platforms like Patreon, Substack, or even MailChimp, you can use them to attract people who want this knowledge that you seek by putting it out there in social media and in physical form, and then they get into your waiting list, and then you begin to send them weekly or daily updates on that knowledge in small tips. So you can make it a 30 days newsletter where they get consistent information on that knowledge that you're sharing, but they have to pay to subscribe to get it. As simple as that. So if like making videos, speaking over a slide is not really your thing, remember the idea is that you don't really want to create an online course. These are the 5 ways you can still sell your knowledge without having to make an online course, right? So put that out there, write them if writing is your thing, in different topics, break them down. It means you have to make an outline of this knowledge, break them down into models and lessons, and then begin to teach them lesson by lesson for all the days that people are going to subscribe. If you promise them a 30 days newsletter, give them every day for 30 days or once a week for a period of 6 months or 1 year, whatever it is that you want to structure it. The thing is, structure this knowledge in a way that you can deliver the whole information they need in the time frame you promised and get your money in. Usually they will have to subscribe ahead before you start delivering it. Please make sure to keep your integrity intact in delivering what you promised. Okay, now for email method, it's very interesting because you have one-on-one interaction with your audience and they can actually reply you, and so you have a deeper connection with them. Also, they will keep subscribing. People can come in at different times to subscribe to that newsletter. That means you're going to have recurring income, and that's amazing. Imagine if your newsletter is your knowledge is something you want to give in series, so people can subscribe every month or for 3 months, so they get only for the session they subscribe to. You can make it a monthly subscription format where people can subscribe for a year or subscribe for a quarter or subscribe for a month. That way you have income always coming in, right? So you'd sit down and decide how you want to piece out this information for the benefit and then sell it. The 4th method you can use to sell your knowledge without having to create a huge online course around it is to monetize using YouTube and social media. Like what I'm doing here can be the knowledge you want to share. Like on this channel, I share about how you can make money from who you are doing the work you love, right? Now, so yours can be, of course, obviously different, and you want to share you want to take people on a journey that will help them achieve a certain result, a certain transformation, right? You have to make sure you can create your content, create your videos ahead of time, then create your channel and start dripping them. I see you drip like an online course, dripping them like twice a week or 3 times a week or once a week, for a year and a 2 year or 2 years gap maximum. You should be able to monetize it at that time, because YouTube algorithm and just social media algorithm generally, you need to gather some momentum for the algorithm to take you seriously and then know that you are a thought leader in that aspect. And then with that, your numbers will grow. With that, people will notice you. You're going to have more visibility, so people can sponsor you. So people that are stakeholders in that topic can sponsor you, and then you begin to make money. People will even come to you to do direct ads on your page or on your video. All of that. There are 1,000,001 ways you can make money if you decide to monetize using YouTube and social media. All you need again is the same content. If you have structured it, you can decide to make them videos, sit down this way, record them in those series as different topics, and then start editing and putting them on schedule. Right now, the fifth one, but of course not the least in any way, this one I did. I haven't done this since after 2018, which I did with my blogging community, is create a membership community. Right, so you can create a membership maybe on a WhatsApp or Telegram. People join the group after paying to be part of it. I wanted a membership that was 1 year. So I was taking bloggers through a blogger's journey every day, 365 days of the year. I was dropping tips and giving them things that they should do to better their blog. Amazing. Yours may not be daily, it can be weekly updates, it can be bi-monthly or bi-weekly, whatever you decide. So again, you need to structure your content, give it a title, let people who want to join know what they will benefit for being in your membership. Then they come into your membership, you have your rules, you have your schedule, you have your teaching schedules, you have your exercises. You just create this whole tribe or community of people who are focused on getting a particular goal, and create such a community that you'll be so proud of, and you're getting paid while at it. And every other time somebody wants to join, they also pay to be there. So you have recurring income and all that. Yeah, people also do this kind of membership using a Facebook group. People also use the Discord app. Some people even use Patreon as well. So it can be any platform you're comfortable with. The main thing is that people pay for what they want to come on a journey of transformation with you, and they look at you as the expert, and you deliver on your promise, and they get the value that they signed up for. Yeah, so on these platforms, part of things you can offer are coaching, live question and answer, exclusive content, private networking sessions. You can even take some of these community activities into a physical location like a retreat and all that within the year, and make it such an the sky is your limit. Which of these do you want to start with? Let me know in the comment section, and make sure you watch this video so you can learn how to launch your product and get your money rolling in. All right, see you in that video.